Hi, I'm Puneet. Welcome back to my channel. Today is day 32 of 180 Days Blogging Challenge, and I'm a motivational blogger for admiring life, a book reviewer, and understanding the books, and a fitness enthusiast as well. Firstly, sorry that I couldn't come yesterday on day 31 because I don't know what to do when my health is down so badly, and some days are like this, like I'm literally on my bed and my eyes are not opening. So it's like one of those days. So I was not able to come yesterday, but here I am. At least I have to be here like for 15 minutes. That's the maximum I can do, and do some work for myself and to motivate you somehow. I don't know how, but yeah, that's how I push myself. But yeah, so today's day 32, a new day. So let's begin vlogging now. So yes, today is also a Women's Day. So happy Women's Day to all the women and girls out there. I humbly wish for your happiness and growth. So let's start day 32, and I have set a timer for myself for 15 minutes so that my eyes don't burn out, because at some days I was giving like 4 to 5 hours on my laptop where I'm not habitual to doing that. So that's why I've set a timer for 15 minutes. It's for my own precautions. And so what I was thinking today is to check my speed of the website, because it's also very important as a user come to read your article but your website is like taking like 6 to 7 seconds, and that's what we don't want. So for that, to check out our speed, there are many plugins and sorry there are many websites to do that, but I will prefer going to Google Search Console to check my website speed, and let's see how I can improve it as well. So let's get going with that on Google Search Console right now. So right now I'm at Google Search Console. Here I can also check that my all articles are listed on Google or not. For instance, I'll check one of my latest articles that it's on Google or not, which I just published on 7th March. So let's see it's on Google or not. So the article was insecure in relationship, 8 ways to 8 ways to not stop feeling insecure in a relationship. So let me just copy this link, URL link. Just check on Google Search Console that this article is on Google or not. So I just copy pasted on inspect any URL option, and it's just retrieving data right now. And it's not on Google as it was published one day before, and sometimes Google crawlers take time. And if you want this this article to be as soon as possible be ranked on Google, so you can just request indexing from here. So I have just made a request to Google Search Console to check my this article, and please publish it on Google. Please rank it on Google. So it's taking little time, as it also said this might take some minute or two, so I can wait. I hope you can also wait. So as you can see, the requesting has been done, and it says URL was added to a priority crawl queue. Submitting a page multiple times will not change its queue position of priority. So it was the first time I requested, so it's all good. Let me check another article if it's ranking on Google. Let me go to the home page, and let me put this so the second last article I published, and check that out. So it's five actionable tips to stay happy if you're alone. So let me just check it out. So let me just check it if it's on Google or not. I'll just repeat the same process, inspect any URL, and it will show me that it is on Google or not. As you can already see, it's on Google. URL is on Google. I specifically requested this a few days before, so it has been done till now. So it's all good. Sometimes it isn't able to fetch. I'll check my sitemap soon that if it's working properly or not. Otherwise I am doing it manually right now, but it can't be like for forever. So I'll be checking it out. And yes, for another things, I'll just copy this title and show you live that it is on Google or not. Give me a minute. Google.com. So I just searching this phrase, and you can see my article is there, and you can see on the first page it's coming because I have put the same title bar. Obviously it's a long word, so that's why, and the same phrase which I typed, that's why it's coming. So it's all good. And just like this, other articles of mine will be on Google as well soon. And as I've already put the request, so we were on to the speed check. So let me just check the speed of the website, how it is doing. So for that, I'll go to page insights. Let me check where it is. So I am to that try page speed insights, and I have just clicked on the button for web vitals, and here from I can check the speed of my website on the phone and on the desktop as well. So I'm gonna do it just right now in front of you. So score is 19 on the mobile. It should be at least between 50 to 89, or if not 90 to 100. And let me look at the desktop option. Desktop option seems very good. It is showing as 74, which is very nice. But on the mobile, it's very bad score out here. So I have to improve it on my phone version. Like what mistakes are there. So I'll be improving that. Like this, the main bar is like this coming up, so I have to remove it somehow or just minimize it. So you can see the process how it's coming. Like first it's blank, and then some words are showing, then some images, then full images, and then this big bar is coming like accept or not. I think that is slowing up the page, so I have to remove it or at least minimize it from my privacy policy website that I have purchased from, and I will be doing it. So that's how you can also check your website speed. It is very important that the user is able to scroll your website in under 2 or 3 seconds, if not 1 second. In desktop my score is pretty fine right now, but on the mobile I have to improve a lot. So that's how you can also check, and you can also improve. You can also do it from for your website. If you don't have the Google Search Console, you can just go to Google and search like Google Page Insights, like I'm showing you right here. Okay, let me just show you. Let me share my screen first, and you can also do it if you don't have the Google Search Console. You can go to like search on Google Page Insights, and you can just click on this link and just go to that page and just search your website speed out here from the Google only. And like this, you can also check out your speed if you don't have Google Search Console for yourself, which I recommend you should have if you have a website, because you ultimately want to rank on Google as well, and that's how you will attract more people to your website if it's ranking on Google, because Google is very, you already know that it doesn't need any introduction. And let me check the timer for right now, and it's almost over, so I'll just do my rest of the things that have to be done. I just needed to come out today and show you some of the things here, and I'll just stop the screen. And so yes, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed this session a little bit. Today I have checked out my website speed, and the mobile version it's very slow. It's very poor score, so I have to improve it. In desktop it's good, but in mobile it's very bad. And so yes, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you tomorrow on day 33, and this is Mohit signing off. Have a good day, take care, bye bye. Sorry, but I'm thankful. I'm very thankful that you have come to this video till this far, and thank you so much. Have a good day, take care, bye bye.